Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. My name is Angel and welcome to my first ever trip report. Today we'll be traveling on board Alaska Airlines Flight 941 with non-stop service from Oakland to Seattle. Alaska Airlines flies out of Oakland's Terminal 1. With one security checkpoint available, lines get crowded in peak travel hours. For me, since it's 4 in the morning, the checkpoint is pretty empty and I got through security in 5 minutes. After that I continued to my gate. For today's flight it is gate 14 and waited for boarding to commence. After boarding started, I was one of the first on board due to me sitting in premium class, which is Alaska's premium economy. Today we'll be flying on board November 533 Alpha Sierra, a 9-year-old Boeing 737-800. For this morning's flight, I am seated in 7F, the second row of premium economy on board. With the boarding door closed, it was time for pushback. The seat, with all honesty, is pretty basic. In my opinion, it's just like the regular economy seats, but is a little bit more padded but overall comfortable. You also have 4 inches of legroom. Keep in mind of me being 5 foot 3 inches. It is a lot of legroom and enough space to store any medium-sized carry-on that you have under the seat in front of you. In premium class, travelers can enjoy extra legroom, complimentary cocktails, wine, beer, and a snack. Other premium class amenities include the following: priority boarding, in-seat power, satellite Wi-Fi, but please note, it is not currently available on board of all of Alaska's Boeing fleet yet, but is still in the process of doing so, but is available on board Alaska's Airbus fleet. And finally, in-flight entertainment on your own personal device, or if your Alaska Airlines flight is from coast to coast or to Hawaii, in-flight tablets will be available to rent. Alaska does offer up to 500 plus movies and TV shows on your own device using the GoGo in-flight entertainment app. On board our Boeing 737-800, there are 5 rows of premium class, with 3 rows of first class up front and 20 rows of regular economy in the back. From the back of economy up to premium class, it is a 3x3 configuration, with first class having a 2x2 configuration of seats. Meal services started. For drink service, I went with a water first. Passengers in premium class can either choose a kind honey and oat breakfast bar or a Sahil fruit and nut mix. For me, I chose the kind breakfast bar. It was then followed with another drink service. I went with a cup of orange juice. Alaska's 737-800 is a comfortable aircraft. It was also pretty quiet while cruising, so it made conversations not as hard. On board, we had the old interior, so it was pretty nostalgic and a little outdated, but I prefer the new modern cabin with the mood lighting. My overall thoughts on Alaska is that Alaska never seeks to disappoint. The crew was absolutely amazing as always, the seat was comfortable. My only flaw is that I wished Alaska had IFEs, but from customer feedback, travelers would rather bring their own device to stream movies and TV shows, which honestly makes sense and I would agree. That is it for this trip report. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know by leaving a like and or a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more aviation content, and also don't forget to share this with your friends. I post a new video once a month. Follow me on Instagram at AlaskaFlyer737. Thank you again guys, and I will see you in the next video.